we got a single exit, boys, for the 350. Like I said, I had some mods coming, and we got the single exit in. Shout out to Brandon Z33 on Instagram. We'll throw it down here. He was actually he's picking up a Tome, so he was taking this off his car, and I was like, dude, perfect. It is a Z1 single exit. As you guys know, Z1 Motorsports is like really good for Zs, and they make all kinds of aftermarket parts, and they tune these cars. So anyway, I'm pumped about this because this exhaust is like, the stock exhaust on these cars are 42 pounds, and this one is the single, I think it's titanium. I'm pretty sure it's titanium, maybe. I think so. Anyway, but it's only 19 pounds, so it's going to be such a big weight reduction. So pretty pumped about this. The car still has stock cats, downpipes and everything, and stock Y pipe. So I'm pretty excited to see what the car sounds like with just the cat back, or I guess you could say from Y pipe back, single exit. So let's give it a look right here. So I got the silencer, which is probably going to be needed, and then got the tip. It's pretty good condition too, so I'm pretty pumped. But let's get this stock exhaust off, and then get this bad boy on. But first, we gotta get a sound clip of what it sounds like before we put the single exit on. I'm going ahead and taking the 2 bolts off by the Y pipe. So they already got off, or they're off now, and it's actually going pretty well. It's super clean under here, honestly, which is awesome. Actually, it might be easier to take it off like this because it's going to be harder to take out of the hangers.
They're really bad.
Thanks, man.
They're
yeah, don't you work at Nissan or something?
I do. I might work over there.
You might work at a Nissan?
I possibly might work for Nissan.
It's faster than GTI.
Oh no.
Every time you say something, I turn the camera off. He literally just said that Yanni's. So Yanni, as you've seen his Miata on our channel.
I don't know about that.
His Miata is it's very slow. Dude, it's like what, like 20 horsepower?
No, man. You know what it's making? It's making 103.
103? Did you dyno it?
Yep, dynoed it.
Was that like your butt? Was that
103? Nope, I did a virtual dyno. Virtual dyno is like the only way to go, man. 103 wheel with like 900 foot-pounds. You know?
People were so
butthurt.
Dude, they were so butthurt.
There's no way that car's making that. You know what? You know what? Here's the car. Come on, let's run it. Come on, what you got? Let's run it. Yeah, $100. Let's go.
You heard it, guys. $100.
$100.
You bet that he doesn't make 270, and we'll see what happens.
We'll start running people for $100.
Wait, what?
Oh, that was greasy, dude.
So you may be asking yourself, how many people does it actually take to take an exhaust off a 350? We have 1.
I'm not.
2, 3, 4, and I guess you could count me too, because someone's got to film it. Mid-pipe is officially out now.
What?
This guy off.
This is what you do. Just invite your friends over to take your parts off your car.
So as you guys are watching this right now, we just came back from the track. We did the track day today, and it's been really, really a long day. But everybody knows when you get new car parts, you have to install them that day. No matter what, like, it's so important. You just want to know what it sounds like. So Calvin's new exhaust is gonna sound really good, and here we go.
Getting that meat pop in there.
Oh.
Are you sure this was fit?
Am I sure what?
Before?
Are you sure this was fit?
Am I sure it was fit?
Yo, you want me to go down there, Yanni?
Do you think it was for a 350Z? Is that what you meant?
I mean, it's a little close.
You got it for a G37. Ha, jokes on
That's what I mean.
Actually, no, it was for a Ferrari.
G35.
Yeah, okay, now you're making jokes.
Actually, no, this was exhaust from my Mustang that I just sold.
Shut up, JR Garage.
Only the lemonade stand, dude. Getting those bolts up there
on the,
and nuts.
Raise your legs.
GR.
Perfect. Yeah, buddy. You were freaking out for a half a second.
I can't see anything. I got
We're gonna put it right there. We're putting it right there, dude.
Yeah, right. It's not even sticking out. It's like.
This is what we're doing. This is per. You can't even see
Look
it.
at that, dude. You can't even see the exhaust.
You want single?
Here we go.
So we got the exhaust up and everything, but I don't know that maybe you guys that have Z1, like this is touching right here, and then it's also touching on the plate back there where it connects to like the Y pipe and everything. So I understand why I guess a lot of people or aftermarket companies kind of like bend the exhaust on 350Z. So I feel like this is gonna rattle like a lot. But definitely throw down in the comments below if you have a Z, if you've done anything with the Z1 or if it rattles. But we haven't turned it on yet, so we'll see if it rattles. But I'm definitely probably 100% that's just gonna rattle against everything under here.
We're just gonna have to beat it. We're gonna have to take a sledge and you're gonna have to hammer
maybe
right
like
here.
hammer it out or like put something right here maybe.
Really, you just need really like a ball peen. You can hammer it with a ball peen and get a little dent in there.
Yeah.
And then do the same up here. A ball peen hammer.
Yeah.
First thoughts before you even start it up. What are you thinking?
Just off the videos on YouTube that people have this exhaust already, it sounds like not too loud, and I still have everything stock except this exhaust. So
It's gonna be loud.
it's still gonna be loud, and I hopefully it doesn't rattle like a lot.
It
If
will.
it rattles a lot, man, I'm gonna cry.
Look, I'm telling
Oh yeah.
Yeah, babe.
Dude, that doesn't rattle right now. So far, we're good. Dude, hold on.
So cold start.
Dude, that sounds so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, those cold starts outside when it's about to get cold is gonna sound so good. It's like a slightly warm cold start, I guess you could say. Oh, bro. That sounds nasty. Bro.
It actually crackles, bro. That's insane.
That is like perfect.
Dude, that's perfect. It might get a tad loud. I haven't like driven around yet, but dude, that's honestly perfect. And I'm not gonna be getting like any probably aftermarket Y pipe or test pipes for a very. I'm not gonna get test pipes because I'm still in like the Missions County. I know I can get a tune for it, but I don't really need it like test pipes right now. So next mod though, coilovers. So if you guys liked this video, there's a ton of more 350Z content coming. I'm so stoked, like I keep saying like so many times, but got the exhaust now it's time for coilovers. But as always, GPG, I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and peace out, guys. See you guys in the next one.